Pineapple season around here. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie 5 Pineapple. Now, this shoe is a part of two separate collections. The Spongebob pack, which also featured the Kyrie 5's Spongebob, Patrick, and Squidward, and the Kyrie Low 2 Sandy and Mr. Krabs, as well as the opening day collection, which is the shoes that the NBA players wore for opening night. This shoe draws inspiration from SpongeBob's house, which is a pineapple if you have never seen SpongeBob SquarePants, and it's a nice addition to the SpongeBob pack. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Kyrie 5 box with the little pyramid and Kyrie 5 word logo, and the Kyrie logo on the side panel and the Nike swoosh on the back. And the colorway is orange peel and teal tint. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features mostly the orange upper stylized after the pineapple house, as well as other little details and nods to the house as well. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the orange toe for the toe box and the toe cap stylized after SpongeBob's house, as well as the rubber-like overlay. It's clear. Moving towards the tongue, you've got the actually blue tongue. The green overlay is supposed to represent SpongeBob's, the top of SpongeBob's house, or the top of a pineapple. Just a nice little image for you. And you also have blue laces. The tongue tag is also blue with Kyrie Irving's logo also in blue. On the inside of the tongue, you've got Steven Hillenburg's signature, RIP. He's the creator of SpongeBob. And on the right shoe, you've got a picture of SpongeBob's pet Gary. The insole is SpongeBob. It's a nice little yellow SpongeBob, right smack dab in the middle. Moving towards the heel, you've got more of the orange base with this tealish Nike swoosh, also signifying the seed type of aesthetic that they have in SpongeBob. And you also have this blue detailing as you move towards the heel counter. For the heel is gray, and you also have this logo. This logo is actually the wheel that's used for SpongeBob as the doorknob for him to get in and out of his house. I never understood what that was. Like, you turn it, but it seemed like it was pretty hard to open. It's weird in the show, but that's actually what that signifies. The medial is similar to the lateral, so you've got the orange base with a smaller Nike swoosh in teal, and you've got more of the green overlay sticking out. The midsole is gray with blue and yellow speckles, and you've got the Zoom Air peeking out, and you've got the off-white outsole with the triangle logo established in 1992, as well as little nods and references to Kyrie's life. This is actually a really dope colorway. Of all of the SpongeBob shoes, this might be my favorite. I did like the Krabs a lot, but after having the Krabs in hand, I think this one is definitely a lot better. I would have preferred the Krabs more if it was a Kyrie 5, not a Kyrie Low 2. So this is actually going to be my favorite. It nods it just a little bit more just because of the silhouette. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
It's the dream.
Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.